As checking in from home while I self-quarantine during this nationwide state of emergency due to the coronavirus. I know a lot of you have been forced to stay home, no income stream, all this free time. So in today's video, I'm gonna cover the pros and cons of selling on Amazon right now during the pandemic. Hi guys, welcome to the channel, and for those who don't know me, I'm Ecom Dave. I'm a six-figure Amazon FBA seller and FBA coach. This channel is all about entrepreneurship and obviously Amazon FBA. In today's video, I'm gonna cover the pros and cons that come with selling on Amazon right now during this pandemic. Let's get right to it. The one thing on everyone's mind, on every single news outlet, the coronavirus. It's affected all of us in some way. Schools are closed, offices, gyms, nightclubs, restaurants. Pretty much the whole service industry has been put on pause, and it's safe to say most of us are either out of work or attempting to work from home. If you're one of those people, now is the time to start selling on Amazon. But before you commit, let's talk about the pros and cons of selling on Amazon right now during the pandemic. Con number one, you may have no idea how to work from home, and learning something new can seem intimidating and even risky. But because most of us are home with no work and no income, investing your time in a profitable skill is a no-brainer. On number two, people are unsure about imported goods. A lot of regulations have popped up on transportation and importing, and a lot of people are misinformed. Fortunately for Amazon FBA sellers like myself, it's business as usual. Importing has never been easier, which brings me to pro number one. Shipping rates and shipping times. Due to the decrease on demand on flights, air transport has never been cheaper and faster. Pro number two, China and their suppliers are back to work. They have already been through the worst of this pandemic and everybody's back to health. Products are being made and being shipped to all Amazon FBA warehouses. Here are a couple screenshots of messages I've had with my suppliers in just this past week. Pro number three, you are probably home with plenty of time to invest into a business that'll thrive through hard times. Our country is currently heading into a recession, stock market is declining, but the only industry standing strong is e-commerce. Plenty of people have resorted to buying necessities and groceries online since the quarantine. Amazon is hiring 100,000 employees to keep up with demand. So use your quarantine time wisely and learn a new skill that will teach you how to create a new income stream that will help you make money while you sleep. I know times are tough, so I'm going to give you and my friends free access to my Amazon FBA course. You're gonna get access for the first 2 weeks. Within these 2 weeks, you're going to learn how to create an Amazon seller account and also how to work with product research tools that will show you how to find profitable products to sell on Amazon. These fundamentals will get you moving forward and will help you build a successful Amazon FBA business. Okay guys, make sure you stay safe out there, stay positive, and let's make lemonade out of lemons.